Hello, my name is Marian Anton from the Product Management Sweepers. Today I'd like to show you the highly innovative ride-on sweepers KM105-100 with low dump and KM105-110 with hydraulic high dump. The compact shape and the hydraulic front wheel steering makes the machine very agile and enables turning in spaces only 2 meters wide. Easy operation system enables fast operating training, only one control for all sweeping functions. The Carter Intelligent key simplifies the operation with different display languages. The yellow key is programmed for the operator. Different user rights can be set with the gray key. The Teach system automatically adjusts the main brush pressure each time when starting the sweeping mode. No manual adjustment of the main brush is necessary. The operator can choose between eco-efficiency mode for everyday cleaning on smooth floors, medium or heavy duty for stub-borne dirt or uneven surfaces. The brush wear is shown on the display, so the operator knows exactly when replacement is needed. The machine offers easy service access. For the operator, all necessary service points are easy to access without tools, such as petrol refilling or checking the oil. For service staff, access to components is very easy thanks to full side opening. The petrol version features a 6-liter tank for long operating periods and an automatic choke for easy starting and efficient cold running. For a quick and easy check of the machine, there is a service interface on the control panel. Service staff can connect the machine to a computer and get detailed information on machine function and condition. All around the machine there are fixation points, the home base kit, to carry additional items like, for example, the litter picker. For uninterrupted, dust-free working, the machine includes the highly effective and fully automatic Tact filter cleaning system. Tact sends pulses of compressed air through the filters at regular intervals to ensure they are never blocked. Thanks to the Tact pulses, every 30 seconds, the finest pores of the nano-coated polyester filter are cleaned. This ensures constant volume flow through the filters and permanent dust-free working. Due to the permanent and highly effective filter cleaning system, a compact filter element can be used to reduce lifecycle costs and improve the handling and the access to the filter. The low dump model features a 2-hopper system that provides easy handling, emptying and the possibility to fill directly into a bin bag. The main roller brush position is between the rear wheels. This means fast and easy access for removing tangled objects. The 2-part brush can be changed easily without tools. No damage of the sweeping mechanics because they always follow the rear wheels. Easy corner cleaning in only one step with the optional sweeping crescent side brush. It is located in the middle of the machine and collects the remaining dirt when sweeping a corner. It is only activated when turning. When driving straight, it is lifted up to reduce wear and improve ground clearance. Dynamic sweeping for cleaning a corner in only 3 steps without the optional sweeping crescent side brush. This is possible thanks to the main brush position at the back of the machine. The KM105 range offers many innovations leading to big advantages for an easy way to fulfill your cleaning task.